Hello everyone, today we are trading on Pocket Option and this video is mainly for beginners. We will trade on 4 moving averages, which I explained in the previous video, but it's not difficult for me to explain it again. This video is for those who wants to earn great money and who wants to make a great deal. We have a very simple strategy for beginners. It's called for sliding. As you can see, we have 1 red and 3 white sliding. We enter the market only when we have a certain signal. So this signal means when the red moving line crosses the white line. Let's look. Let's open our screenshot and highlight this area. Look, here we have a red line, and here at this point it crosses the last third sliding. It turns out we have this candle, here we are opening a deal to increase. Because the moving ones intersect at the bottom, respectively, we open a deal for a minute, and we have candles for 10 seconds. Here they are, and the deal closes in a plus. Here we have the next intersection, and this is the intersection down. Let's take a look at it too. Here we have a right sliding. Look at this, and it crosses the third sliding. Here I open a deal as soon as the line has been crossed. This is a candle, and we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and on last candle we close the deal in plus. Respectively, we will open with you again these 2 graphs. Here we see the intersection of the third sliding line. At this point our graph went up. Also, we see the intersection of the third sliding line. At this point, you would take this candle here, we have a great downward movement. Respectively, I delete everything now and show you how to open it, this for sliding. I open the indicators, then open moving averages and click 4 times. Next we need to set the 14th period, put EMA and choose red color and put a line and then save it. This will be our main moving. The next sliding has the parameters 28. Also EMA and highlighting in white, and then save. Note the period 70 and choose EMA, and also choose white color. In last period I set 100, then choose EMA and also choose white color. And then of course let's start trading. Let's look for deals and then open a new pass and see where we can trade. I would like to emphasize once again that the candle period is 10 seconds and we make transactions for 1 minute at most 5% of our bank. Guys, I will comment on all transactions, but they are not appearing yet. I'm gonna look for entry points, and as soon as they appear, I will comment. Here I opened a deal because our moving average being above these 3 moving averages gradually fell down and finally crossed it at this point. The deal should have been put earlier, but I put it as soon as I saw it, and now it will be what happens next. The deal is great, you should pay attention to it, of course. There was an entry point from this intersection, and this first closed plus 36 points. It's a very good result, yes. Here I most likely won't open a deal because these 3 moving ones of white color have merged at this point, and this is not a very good sign. You should think about it. It's necessary that the right moving line clearly crossed first, then the second, and then the third moving line. Everything is unclear here. Maybe it would have been enclosed, but I didn't want to risk. I'm looking for good intersections when I can open a good deal. Here we would get a plus. Here I saw that we could close the deal very well, so without waiting for the touch, I open another deal for downgrade. Let's see how it ends. And as we see, the deal closes in plus. It's good. Let's make sure that we have plus. Of course, it's only 9 points. The main thing is that our plus closes on binary options, of course. And you don't forget about it. Here I opened a deal by analogy with the previous 2, even a little later than it was necessary. So we can see the intersection. Here is our final entry point. The deal closes in plus. Let's see my final trading session. Today we have 3 pluses. We earn about $250, multiply it by 20 trading days and get more than $12,000 per month. So I think it's a very great kind of income. Absolutely. You should do it. So, I spent about half an hour trading and explaining it. I think this strategy is clear and simple for beginners, of course. You should know that the market gives everyone the opportunity to earn money. And I want to say that thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe, be active under the video, and I recommend to trade with me, of course. Subscribe to our Telegram. There we give free signals and training materials and strategies. I'm waiting for everyone. Goodbye.